So namaste to everybody. Welcome. Welcome back to the online English class. Yesterday we have already finished the simple present, simple past and simple future. Today we will discuss about progressive or continuous. You may call it progressive or continuous. So first of all, I would like to discuss on present continuous or present progressive. Present continuous or present progressive. It is used to express present continuous or present progressive. Present progressive is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. It is often associated with adverb and here you see the definition. Pardon? What happened? Okay. I am allowing them. Okay. See, present progressive is used. Yeah, you may call it is used. Present continuous or present progressive is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. Remember that action is going on when you are speaking, when you are talking about. The adverb of phrase, the adverb of time, now, at present, at this moment is often associated. We are doing now. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? ये देखिए एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रेजेस. प्रेजेंट टाइम का एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस. नाउ I am reading a book at present. Here at present is adverb phrase. Sita is dancing. The bus is coming. So here you can say that with the above example, I am playing, I am writing a letter. Present continuous is said because the action is going on. The action is going on at the time we are speaking. If you say I am reading, what does it mean? Come on, say. Now come to the second. Rule number 1. It is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. Now next. Next, to indicate, present progressive is used to indicate temporary action. Temporary action which may not be happening. May not be happening at the time of speaking. Here you see, present progressive is also used to indicate an action that is temporary, a temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking. I am reading a book right now. Formula is subject plus is R M plus V3. V3 means what? Verb plus V4. Verb plus ing. Subject plus is R M plus V4. ing. V plus ing. That is V4. Or you may say V1 plus ing. Subject plus is R M. I am reading a book. At present I am reading a book. So here it present the continuous. Understood? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Number third. Number third. Come to the rule number 3. Sometimes present progressive used to mark an action. An action that will happen in future. Example: I am going to Patna next week. She is being married next week, next year. Here you see, by these example, here I have present progressive is also sometimes is used to mark an action that will happen in future. Going to. Do you remember when we were talking about simple future? Going to, about to, is to. She is coming to see me next week. The PM is going to come. It tells about an action that will happen in future. He is about to jump. So like that. Okay. They are going to London next year. We are going to take examination in the month of September. So, here present progressive or present continuous is used to mark an action that will happen in future. Now come to the past progressive. Now come to the past and progressive. Now come to the past progressive. Past progressive. Look at the formula. Subject plus was, where, plus V4, plus object. This is the structure. This is the structure. This is the structure. The structure of past progressive. क्या इसमें बताता है? Past progressive is used to indicate incomplete action, uncompleted action, uncompleted action of the past, of the past. Of the past, with or without, with or without time. There is no time reference. There you see, when you are saying, I was eating pizza, here if you say, I was reading book when you came, when you arrived. Here you see, in the given example, it is indicating incomplete action. The action is going on. It is progressive, but it is incomplete. I was reading book. पढ़ रहा था जब तुम आए. That means the action is going on. It is incomplete. So we may say that past progressive is used to indicate habit of the past. Habit of the past. Okay? A habit that is going on in the past. A habit that is going in the past. Second one. What does it mean? Past progressive means what? It means the action was still going on. It means progressive या continuous का मतलब ये हुआ that the action is still going on. In the past time, when I called her, she was singing. जब मैंने फोन किया वो गाना गा रही थी. When we arrived, they were having lunch. So here you can say that past continuous means an action that is still going on, or that was still going on at the time of speaking. It is talking about incomplete action. Incomplete action. Well, any problem? Can I move further? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the future continuous. Future continuous. Now come to the future progressive. Come to the future progressive. Future progressive. Subject, then shall, will, plus B, plus B4. See the structure. Subject, shall, will, plus B, plus B4. See the example. Subject, plus shall, plus will, she will be singing. She will be singing. She will be singing. Then, can you see? My mother will be waiting. My mother will be waiting for me. Here you see. Here, first of all, simple future. What it denotes? A simple future denotes an action that is going on at the some point in the future time. क्या डिनोट करता है? That the action she will be singing then. It is denoting an action that is going on at some point in future. फ्यूचर में ये काम हो रहा होगा. तब वो गाना गा रही होगी. मेरी माँ इंतजार कर रही होगी. So, we may say that, please note down, future progressive is used to indicate और ये indicate करता है indicates what will be going on at some time in future. ये इंडिकेट करेगा क्या कि फ्यूचर में समटाइम फ्यूचर में ये काम होगा. फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव इज यूज्ड टू इंडिकेट व्हाट विल बी गोइंग ऑन एट सम टाइम इन फ्यूचर. It is also used to indicate planned future event. It is also used to express planned future. Planned future event. फ्यूचर इवेंट, ऐसा फ्यूचर इवेंट जो प्लान्ड हो, ऐसा फ्यूचर इवेंट जो कि प्लान्ड हो. फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड to express a planned future event. Okay? Planned future event. My mother will be waiting for me. It is a planned future event. He will be writing a letter. She had already planned, and in future she is doing like that. So we may conclude that present progressive is used to express or to indicate uncompleted action in the past. We are talking about what? First of all, present progressive. So present progressive is used to indicate an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Examples: I am writing a letter now. This very example shows that the action is going on at the time of speaking. Then the second rule, it is also used to indicate temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking, or with a habitual action. Present progressive is also used to express habitual action, especially indicated the habit that is very hard to overcome. Example is what? I am eating mango now. It is a habit, habitual action. I am going to school now. It is a habitual action. Okay? Now come to the past progressive. Past progressive is used to indicate uncompleted action of the past. It is also used to indicate persistent habit of the past. Then come to the future. Future progressive is used to indicate what will be going on at some time in the future. It is also used to indicate planned future action, planned future event. So this is what the sum and the substance of the progressive. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, please ask. I am here to solve your problem. See the structure and try to write. Yesterday I have given you a homework. Write 5 sentences on each of present progressive, simple present, simple past and simple future. Have you completed this or not? Please say. Hello. Are you listening? No answer. Okay, no problem. Now the homework for you. Write 5 sentences of each. Write 5 sentences of present, past and future. This is your homework. Please note down. This is your homework. Note down and try to finish it. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.